Hey, I'm Paul with MadCap Software. This video is all about integrating your central license with Slack, which is a third-party tool for team collaboration. And a lot of people are using that. They might be using that way more than they're using email. So I'm going to show you how you can integrate with Slack so that you can be notified of things that way. Now in Central, I can come up and look at my user settings, and there's the notifications option. And you can see all these things I could be notified about, things that are happening on my Central license. And I could tell Central, hey, notify me by email, or the notification center. The notification center is this little bell up here where it'll turn red if something happens. But maybe you don't want to use these, you want to use Slack. So what do you do? Okay, so first of all, let's get out of here and we'll go up here again and select licenses. I just want to interrupt this video briefly because since the time I first recorded this video, the UI's changed a little bit. And so yes, we're going into our license settings, but the way that you do it now, don't click on your name, that goes to user settings. You want to click over here on your license avatar or initial if you don't have an image yet, and you select license settings. And then as I describe in the rest of this video, yeah, you come down to Slack and do your stuff there. Now over on the left, you select Slack, and now you want to connect to a channel. So if you got a Slack channel that you want to use for something, in this example, let's say I've got a Flare project called Module 1, and I want to keep track of information about builds that are happening on Central. All right, if something happens, I want to be notified, but I want to be notified in this Slack channel. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Connect a Channel. This opens up your browser to Slack, and now and you choose your Slack account, which I have right here, and then I can come down here in this field and I can search for and select whatever Slack channel I want to use. So I'm going to click in there and I'm going to select Module 1 builds. All right, and I've already set that up in Slack, and I just click Allow. It takes me right back into MadCap Central, and you can see it's added it right here. So I can go through and I can do this again. I can add more channels if I want. But once I've got a channel, now I select, okay, what notifications? So I click that and I can give this one a name, and I'll just call it Module 1 Builds, the same as my Slack channel to make it easy. And then I select my channel that I've integrated right there. And now I come down and I tell Central, all right, what area do I want to be notified about? Builds, checklists, projects, and so on. Well, in my case, builds. And so this information populates down here, and this will be different depending on what you select up here. So project, I could say all projects, or I could select a specific one. And then I could, just choose whatever activities I want to be notified of and click Add. And that's it. And now you are integrated. There you go. If you got Slack channels, you can see you can set those up very, very quickly and just kind of be done with it. As you add more Slack channels, just add those in and choose your settings and you are good. All right. Thank you for watching this video. We'll talk to you next time.